Hi, I'm Arlene. I'm Pilates instructor at PhysicalMind Institute based in Dublin, Ireland. We have just completed our first ever workshop for TYE4X here in Ireland. We're now training in instructors on how to use this wearable bungee device. Great system that is actually going to add 30-pound resistance to your workout. For more information on this, you can log on to PhysicalMind Institute.
It was really fun to discover all the uses of this, and I can't wait to play with it at home and see which other uses I can figure out and teach people. It's very nice. It adds lots of resistance, and it's just really fun to use.
It's great to have this new equipment. I absolutely love the resistance that you put in your exercises. So thanks, Arlene, for a great morning, a great workshop, and I'm looking forward to use them.
I really like it to use this morning. It's amazing how you can assist the movement or create more resistance to the movement. So yeah, I need to play more and get more into, and yeah, great.
Thanks, Arlene, for a great morning. Really enjoyed getting to know how to use these. I'll definitely be using them myself to start, and I'll be picking your brain for some knowledge. Thanks a million. Really enjoyed them. Look forward to using them.